Hello, Mansi. Hi, my name is Mansi.
And I'm Hadia, and we're in grade 7.
And we're going to be teaching you guys about fractions.
Fractions are really simple and easy once you get to understand them. They can also start to get fun to do after you get the hang of it.
In this video, we'll go through everything we can to help you guys understand fractions better. So we'll go from what you might already know as a little review to something you don't know, like how to identify and write down fractions. So let's get started.
A fraction. A fraction is a number that names a part of a whole. 1/2. 1 would be the numerator and 2 would be the denominator. So what is the numerator and the denominator?
So in this case, the fraction is 3/4, 3/4. In this case, 3 would be the numerator and 4 would be the denominator. But what does the numerator and denominator actually represent? Well, the numerator represents how much of a whole it's showing, and the denominator represents the actual whole. So in this case, we have 4 as our total. So here's a square with 4 pieces in total. So that would be our denominator. Now, if we count how many pieces are shaded in or showing, we have 1, 2, 3. So 3 would be our numerator, 3/4.
1/2. There are 2 parts and 1 is colored. That would equal 1/2.
So, for example, with the pattern works, I have 6 triangles in total. So that would be our denominator. 6 would be our denominator. That's our whole. So I would write 6 as a denominator. So now if I take 2 away, how much do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 would be our numerator. So this is the fraction. 4/6, or 4/6. So once again, 1/2, this is the numerator, the top number is the numerator, the bottom number is the denominator. The numerator represents how much is showing, and the denominator represents the total. So if we have, how do we find out what fraction this is? Well, we count the number of parts in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 would be our denominator, since it's the number of pieces in total. And then we count down how many pieces that we have shaded in or taken away. And we have 1, 2. So 2 would be our numerator. So our fraction is 2/6. And how we say it is...
Okay, it'll take a couple of seconds. Hopefully it'll go. Alright, so now
2/6. That's our fraction. So another example. You have to speak louder. And we have this much shaded. So what is this as a fraction? Well, let's count the total number of parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 would be our denominator since it's the number of parts total. Then we count to how many parts are shaded. 1. So that would be our fraction, 1/4. And we say it as 1. Or we can say 1/4 of a whole.
No, that's just their Let's say we have a tissue. A tissue has 2 parts to it. As you can see, there's half. If we divide the tissue, we have 2 parts. 1, 2. But if we put it together and we color one tissue, it would be 1/2. Same with the book. If we have 2 parts and 1 part is colored or shaded, it would be 1/2. Over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 markers. If we have to put them into groups, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's add. We have 4 more. Let's add them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in each group, which there are 4 groups, we see 2 markers in each.
So 4 groups of 2. That's all.
Bye.